Hey everybody, what's happening? Oscar here. We're about to finish here in the East Coast the month of July. It's finally over. It's been crazy, so much going on, and I wasn't planning on making a video, but I saw that we were at $63,000, and I'm like, I'm sure that a lot of my viewers, subscribers, and people as a whole in crypto are wondering what's going on. I mean, didn't we have many awesome news, bullish news, to the moon news? Well, I'm here to tell you what I think could happen, and that's it. Here it is, to the point, straight. Thanks so much for watching. I'll appreciate if you consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know your comments in the down below. And we're here. I'm one of those degens who's always looking at our portfolio at CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and we're like, come on, baby, let's go to the moon, pump it up. I got you. And today we talked in length. So here, the beginning of June, the beginning of July, those two had a similarity. That was retracements. Every month that starts brings something. It's been a while since we haven't seen a major pump, something that is like, oh wow, this month is looking really, really good for us. At the end of July, we're seeing from 66 to 63, and right now it's still 63. Oscar, are we gonna go lower? Because help me out, come on. Should I buy right now or should I wait for lower prices? Here's the deal. From everything that I've seen, from all the news that we have collected as of today, if you fast forward 5 months from now, we should be in the $80,000-$90,000 range. I'm gonna say it again. 5 months from now, not 5 days from now, not a week from now, not a month from now, 5 months from now. Now, Oscar, are you bearish right now with the current volatility? Well, I think the super short term, this week, the next 2 weeks of August, they look like a little weird as far as the FOMC, the CPI inflation, and the market conditions, because Jerome Powell is not giving us a clear, we're gonna do the cut. As always, he's gaslighting and just saying, we gotta look at the data. Fine, whatever, we talked about that one. But we cannot rely on him saving our crypto, never. Second, the international conflicts that's going on right now in Hamas, Israel, and all of those, places, is adding uncertainty. And the worst enemy in crypto is uncertainty, and in general, in stocks, in the market, because uncertainty is not adding certainty and confidence in investors to buy. If things escalate, things can get much worse, and that obviously adds to spending more to defend some other nations and volatility and craziness, right? So we don't want that. And right now, with the Ethereum ETF approved, Bitcoin ETF approved, asset managers approved, we have everybody coming into the rescue on Bitcoin, politicians, and everyone really as a whole. We're kind of left wondering, is August gonna do something? And here's what I will consider myself to be optimistic. We're barely starting, right? It's not like we're gonna just crash all the way to 50. We haven't gone lower than 50,000. And the only reason why we dropped to 53 was because of Germany. That's it. Right now, I don't really foresee major news deeply affecting only crypto and stocks. Only those potential international conflicts, but other than that, I would say it's actually looking really bullish. The only reason why we're seeing those red candles, people selling off, paper hands, and we shouldn't worry too much. That's my bottom line. We shouldn't worry too much. We're smarter than this. Yep. If you take a look at what's dropping the most, meme coins. Let me actually give it a look. The most things that are dropping right now in the last 24 hours are Mog, Whiff, Bonk, Bone. So out of many, right, meme coins are the ones that are dropping because that's what people bought, and they're like liquidating and getting out because of anything that could happen. BTC only 3%. If we do 5%, that is more significant. That's when you say, oh, we may have a trend here. But as long as we don't go lower than 60, that's my first call. I agree that 70 was actually touched. We saw it, we lived it for a few seconds, and it was rejected. So it is my expectation that BTC has to be staying in the 60. There's no reason why to go under that. So we're not there yet. I don't want to get ahead of myself. So I'm looking at waking up tomorrow, looking at the first couple of days in August and seeing BTC slowly getting back up, traction, potential, and love. That's it. Because I only see positive news here. The SEC, the Harris administration, the international community as a whole building crypto, regulation. It's so positive. We don't really have an enemy that I can tell right now. Even Russia is right now opening up for more payments, as far as this. So it's like, are you kidding me? Things are becoming very good for crypto solutions, for payment solutions. And it's just a matter of having a much more stable world, in trading related, economics related, and that's it. That's where I think our vision should be. And if you happen to have some cash on the side, everybody, you won't feel so much wrecked if you continue buying the dip, right? That's what I've been doing. That's my strategy. If you go to the Bitcoin index right now, it will show neutral. It will show not extreme greed. It will show fear in some other ones because people have concerns. They're like, are we going lower? And if we do, you're only gonna get better deals as we continue walking this journey. It's not easy, guys. It's something that adds to the patience that people are tired of it, that they're tired of getting scammed, tired of getting rug pulled, tired of getting their liquidity taken, that you buy something and then it just doesn't work out. I've seen it many times on DeFi right now. One of the reasons I'm consolidating my positions and adding more to them. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Before I go to bed, I just wanted to drop this, thoughts and hopefully help some people, because it feels bad, like we're gonna get worse, but not to me. After going through so many news and the tone, the pulse of the market doesn't look that bad. It's just the reaction, to the FOMC and to the news. Just give it a few days and we should be back on track. Peace.